Hello children of standard 5. We will learn today chapter 13, Androcles and the Lion. Part 2. We have learned in part 1 that lion and Androcles becomes friend. Androcle was a slave. He ran away from his master's house because of the trouble his master had given. Slaves are actually kept with masters. Master give only little food and slave they work full time. So Androcle was tired of it and he had run away to the forest. When he reached the forest, he was very tired and he fell down and sat there. Meanwhile, he heard a roaring sound from far away. He tried to find out and he walked slowly to that direction where the roaring sound was coming. But he could not go because he had stuck in the creepers. His foot was stuck in the creepers, so he could not move. He fell down there. Suddenly he saw the big cat is coming near to him. Lion is also known as a big cat. So he saw that and he thought this is the end of his life. But as lion reached, he showed his right paw. Paw means animal feet, we call them paw. So right paw he showed, which was fully swollen, covered with blood, and there was a big thorn. With that he had the severe pain. And Androcle took courage, removed the thorn from the lion's feet. Lion had tremendous pain, very severe pain, but after removing it, he felt little relief. He went and brought one deer to Androcle. Androcle was happy to see that lion has brought in thankfulness, but he said, I can't have it. So today's lesson we see that Androcle was caught by the soldiers. Soldiers came to the forest in search of Androcle and they captured him and captured the lion also, and they took to the stadium. They have taken to arena. Arena means stadium. There people all around sitting and the slaves are kept one side, other side is kept wild animal. One by one slaves were released and the lion was left, so that slave was eaten by the lion. Now next turn is for the Androcles. When Androcle was sent, lion was also sent out, and when the lion came out there, it was a miracle, wonder. All people were just shocked to see. A lion came to the Androcle and instead of tearing into pieces and eating, he came and embraced. He put his hand on and head on the shoulder of Androcles. And king shouted, something is wrong with the lion. Lion should be taken to the doctor. And he asked Androcle, Androcles, what is wrong with? He said, nothing is wrong. He is my friend. All the people had a good laugh, because how wild animal and human can be friend. So they all laughed. Then he narrated Androcle that he had removed the lion's thorn, which was paining him, disturbing him too much, and since then they were friends. So king asked, is it he is not eating you because he is grateful to you? So he said yes. So king ordered lion should be freed, sent to the jungle, forest, so that he can be free in his way, and Androcles also is no more slave. He is free to move anywhere, do any work and live how he like. And people all clapped and they said, long live Androcles, long live king, and long live lion, because they all have been very good. King also has done great justice, which is never done by others, he has done. So dear children, here is showing we should be friendly to all, whether it is animal or human. We should be helpful to everyone as need or help requires. So thank you children.